Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove background in Bluebeam. The first thing I'd like you to do is to open Bluebeam Review and open the PDF that contains the background that you want to remove. Now, determine what type of background you're working with. This is important because Bluebeam handles different backgrounds differently. Now, if it's an image with a solid color background, you can make that color transparent. If it's actual PDF content, you need to erase or redact it. If it's a scanned document, Bluebeam cannot automatically remove the paper background like a photo editor would. So for an inserted image with a solid background, you're going to have to open that from Tools. So click on Tools, click on Markup, head over to Image, select from File, and choose the image that you want to add and click on Open. So I clicked on that image and it took me here rather. So now I can click on Properties, and for the properties I now have okay, so I'm just gonna have to do this again so that I can have my email properties open to me. So I'm gonna head over to, okay, I have pages. See, okay, pages too. Okay, so I head over to Tools, to Markup, to Image, from File, and I select this image and I click on Open. So now I have an image here which I can paste. So I just tap on it and my image has been pasted. So I actually have two images. All right. Now, after selecting the picture, let's say this is the picture that we want to work on. Then I head over to Appearance. Here we have Max Color. Just click on the color selector and choose the background color you want to make. For example, it could be white. Now you can adjust the max tolerance slider, right, until the background disappears while keeping the main image intact. Now this allows PDF content beneath the image to show through. So let's see. So I'm going to go back to that picture and select it. So I head over to max color. Let's say I increase this to 20. You see the changes that are available. You see the changes that appear here. All right, so now this is actually for if you want to make changes for that. This is for an inserted image with a solid background. All right, so this image might not actually be the perfect for this instance, but this is exactly what you do. Now for background objects that are part of the PDF content, this is how you go about that. I'm just going to take this back to 2, so it takes us back to normal. Now go to Edit, all right, at the top of the screen, and go to PDF content and go to erase content. So drag over the background area that you want to remove. So let's say this is what I want to remove, and release the mouse. So once you release the mouse, then it permanently erases the selected content from the PDF. So use this only if you are sure that you no longer need the background. Don't know if that really works. Okay. All right. So I kind of have something in the background. So another picture. Let's put this background. So probably it's background. But this is pretty much how to use this. But that's if you have a background objects that are part of the PDF content and you want to use the erase So come to edit, come over to PDF content, click on erase content, and then drag to the background area you want to remove and release the mouse. So once you release the mouse, it just takes it off. Now, if you have Bluebeam Review Extreme, you can click the action feature. Okay, so these are actually the steps that you can take to remove that. So you can go back to the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get a quick steps in. Once you're done, you'll be good to go. Tutorial marvelously helps you, sir.